Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Doug and I'm back with another Appelboom Slices video. Yost Appelboom sent me via Stephen Brown 12 fountain pens to review and to offer for sale to you for substantial discounts. Please see the mega unboxing video that I posted, unboxing all 12 of these pens, and you can see that video by clicking right up here. All of the prices are in the description and on my Wix website, also linked in the description. But all of these pens are 25% off their list prices. Today's fountain pen is this gorgeous Leonardo Momento Zero Grande 2.0 from the Dutch Pen Show 2024. This is an exclusive limited edition pen. This one is 35 of 100 made, and this one's called Sugar Rush, which is the theme of the Dutch Pen Show, which just happened last June. I have to review this fountain pen very quickly because this has been sold already. So I didn't even get it out of the box and someone snapped it up. And here we have a special limited edition Leonardo Officina Italiana Momento Zero Grande piston filler. And there's a sticky on here that says DPS 2024. 035 of 100 broad. So that's Dutch Pen Show. So this is a Dutch Pen Show 2024 Leonardo. Oh, and it comes with a nice soft faux suede bag and a bottle of black ink. And there is the typical guarantee booklet from Leonardo. And I should show this too. It does have Dutch Pen Show the Right Way by Leonardo Officina Italiana on the inside of that case. And let's look at the pen here. Ooh, look at that. I did not actually follow the 2024 Dutch Pen Show offerings from the various pen companies, but this is glorious. Look at that. And this is a broad. But let's look at that resin to begin with. Look at that acrylic. Isn't that gorgeous? It makes me hungry. It looks like rhubarb pie.
Back in the kitchen and make me some pie.
And we're in the season for rhubarb pie. And there we have the 14 karat gold broad nib from Leonardo with the Dutch Pen Show logo on it. I've got a Dutch Pen Show from 2020 or 2021 in Jonathan Brooks. I'll have to look to see whether this is Brooks. So I'll be interested to ink this up. I wonder what ink I should put in this. Is there an ink called rhubarb? I wonder. And it is a gorgeous pen. So let's take a look at it here. I'm going to rotate it for you and show you this gorgeous, gorgeous Jonathan Brooks resin Sugar Rush while I read what the Appelboom website says about this pen. For the 2024 edition, resin wizard Jonathan Brooks of the Carolina Pen Company was asked once more to create a custom resin. His interpretation of the original Dutch candy came out spectacularly. The pen blanks were then sent to Leonardo, where it was turned into beautiful fountain pens. The pen will be available with 3 different trims: gold, silver, and rose gold. This one is in the silver trim. The matching 14 karat gold nib is imprinted with the Dutch Pen Show logo. Only 100 of these pens will be made, each pen with its own unique number, and will be shipped in a sleeved box with a complimentary bottle of ink. You saw that in the unboxing. And this pen is going out to the new owner within minutes of doing this video review, so I wanted to compare it to my Dutch Pen Show, Jonathan Brooks, which I'm still over the moon about. I got a couple of years ago. This is the 2021 Dutch Pen Show exclusive. Mine was number 80 of 100, and this is in the Jonathan Brooks Earth Magic 2. Gorgeous resin. The difference being that this is a Momento Zero Grande, whereas this is a Momento Zero Grande 2, which has the ink window. Now I've inked this up with some special ink, which I think is a perfect match for this pen. Let's focus on the parts and features of this pen, and then I'll do a writing sample real quick. Of course, I mentioned the Dutch Pen Show 14 karat gold nib. There's the Dutch Pen Show logo on that beautiful nib, ebonite feed, beautiful thick section, ink window. The pen is beautiful in the hand. It is a piston filler and takes 1.5 milliliters of ink, and the pen posts nicely. It becomes a little bit long, but that cap is not heavy at all. It is actually writable while posted. The cap band has a lovely mosaic pattern, wide center cap band, and two smaller cap bands surrounding it, and it says Italy on the one side. Get past the gold fleck in that, and there you see the imprint, Leonardo Officina Italiana, Dutch Pen Show 2024 exclusive, LE 35 of 100. Now let's write with it. And here we have the Leonardo Momento Zero Grande 2.0 Dutch Pen Show 2024, Jonathan Brooks, Sugar Rush, and it has a 14 karat gold, number 6 size, broad nib. Ultra smooth. This is really one of the finest nibs, one of the broadest, finest nibs, one of the finest, broadest nibs.
Doo-lang, doo-lang, he's so fine. Doo-lang, doo-lang, doo-lang.
From Leonardo I've ever written with. I know that Stephen wrote with this pen, and his review will be linked in the description below as well. But he wrote with this pen and just sort of gushed all over it. Well, didn't gush ink, just sort of gushed about how gorgeous the pen is. So to the new owner of this pen, you're lucky because Stephen almost kept this one. Smooth, 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 and wet, wet, wet. And the line makes about a 0.7 millimeter line, which is a medium to broad on my Richard Binder line width chart, which you can find linked in the description below as well. And this ink, I'm delighted with how this ink works in this pen because it's just perfect. Let me show how wet it is. Look at that. This is Ferris Wheel Press Cabernet on the lake. I mentioned this ink in my discussion with Stephen Brown last week as being one of the inks that you would want to drink because it sounds like you want to drink a Cabernet on the lake.
Don't do it! Just don't do it!
But it's a perfect match for this gorgeous gold and pink fountain pen. The ink has gold shimmer and is in a pinkish maroonish color. So there you have it. Thanks go out to Joost Appelboom for providing this fountain pen to Stephen to review, and then to Stephen for sending it to me for me to review. And maybe the new owner will comment on this video, and when he gets his pen, he will show us pictures. That would be really cool. Go to the Facebook page for Leonardo Officina Italiana and post a picture of this gorgeous pen. I already have. And that just leaves it for me to say, thank you for watching. And that's all she wrote.
I made this.